What's up, boys? What's new in Cheezy's garage today? TrackFlex Floodlight Wi-Fi. Comes with a cord if you do not have an outdoor light that's already connected to your house. This is a wired camera, so it has to have 120 volts. It is not solar, which also means that it will be watching 24/7 with these motion sensors here. And it's going to replace your light that you have outside. Oh, hey kitty. Well, I'm excited to see how this works because with these motion all around, you can pretty much get every place. I got a perfect spot for it on my new garage edition. As you know, I really like Reolink products. Good value, high quality camera systems. So this is what you get in the box. You get your camera, your 120 volt cord. If you do not have an outdoor light, your manual, wire nuts, Allen wrench, a little reset key there for mounting in wood, and your mounting for your camera, surveillance sticker, Reolink quick guide, and of course your template, and a USB-C to USB-A for programming. Now this does take an SD card. You do not have to buy a subscription. You can have it all come to the SD card there, or you can have it go to a home hub that Reolink has that would stay inside your house. First thing we're going to do is set up the camera. So if you do not have the Reolink app, scan this with your camera, and then we're going to plug in that USB cable to the camera so we can set it up. Definitely put your microSD card in, which is optional, then install the camera. Mounting locations, of course, if you could do it on a corner of a house, it's better because this has all these sensors around it you could see anywhere, and this camera will track motion when it sees it. I'm excited to see how that works. With the supplied USB cord, pop off the little water protector on the bottom there. Remove your protector there.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
It'll voice prompt you every step of the way, so it's pretty easy. So if you don't have the app, scan in the app. I do have the app. Hit plus to add the camera. Find your QR code. This one's asking if I want to use it with my home hub or standalone. I will use it with my home hub because I have a lot of storage. Now if you have very weak Wi-Fi, you may want to switch to recording locally on the SD card. It may jitter or lag when it's streaming to the home hub. Now it's asking to reset, so we're going to need our tool. Reset is right there in the middle. There you go. Hold it till you hear that noise. We'll wait for it to boot back up.
Welcome to Reolink.
There it is.
Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
We're going to hook it to our 5G hub. Connected successful. Name it. And finished. Then it tells you how to install it. Alright, here we are here. How you doing? So everything's all set. Now we can install it on a wall outside. If you already have an existing light fixture, take your light fixture down. If you don't, you can run this extension cord out there and hook your backing plate to where your fixture was. Now we'll wire it up. It has a little loop to hang while you wire too. Make sure your power is turned off, which you should have done before you remove the fixture. Hook the wires up. Black to black, white to white, green to green. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, hire an electrician. See, it has a little level there too. Makes it a lot easier. If you have small enough wire, you can actually do it right there too, but that's pretty much meant for that extension cord. I'll leave these out so they're not in the way. Push it on and click it down. Put your two screws in here. Very simple installation. Now I'm going to take some silicone, not right now, but when I'm done doing the video, and I'm going to run a bead of silicone all the way around, except the very, very bottom I'll leave open. Let's flip the switch on. I found these little switch holders so people don't flip your switch off on accident. 4-pack on Amazon, I'll link them, they're real cheap. You put that on there. Just like that. Now when someone goes to flick the light switch on or off, they'll feel that and say, hey, that's supposed to stay on. The little side tab never fits in like they show it's supposed to. Oh, we're booting up. These have little protectors on them too for the motion sensing. Now let's see if we're connected. Indeed we are. So let's do an adjustment down a little bit. Don't have that great of a connection here because it's literally going through all this metal. So there's going to be a little bit of a delay. We're going to set that as a monitor point. We'll go into the settings. Yeah, see? Very low Wi-Fi, which I kind of figured it was going to be because my Wi-Fi is literally having to penetrate all that metal on an angle. So I got 2 bars. So it's like every other Reolink. You have your Wi-Fi connection, your display. Sounds. Definitely want to record audio. How your light works. Floodlight, infrared, detection alarm, person, vehicle, animal, and motion detection. Each one has a sensitivity and an object size. I'm going to turn auto tracking on because I want it to track us. Tracking type says person. I'm going to select all. Person, vehicle, animal. You also have out of view detection. I turn that on. When motion is detected outside the current view, the left, middle, or right zone, the camera will turn to that zone to check. That's what those extra sensors are all around. So that's default off. I turned it on. Tracking, digital first. That means it's going to follow you digitally and then mechanically. So we have to set maximum turn angle. So that's maximum left. That's maximum right. And we will save. And it'll show you what you have. Schedule, we're going to keep on 24/7. Object stops, going to keep recording for 20 seconds. If it disappears, it's going to do 10 seconds. Push notifications is off. Push notifications you could turn on in here. Email alerts. You could set this up. It even has a Gmail setting. Gmail actually has a security feature that gives you a encrypted password that you can use so anybody that gets into your camera can't steal your Wi-Fi. So you want to set that up in Gmail first. You can do FTP, a light alarm, you can have a siren, home hub siren you could turn on. You could do time lapse. You have advanced, which is reboot, and installation method. And that's about it. Let's go in here. That's all your information. Let's do update device. Let's see if there's anything manually. It says there is an update, so we're going to do the update. Takes a bit. Upgrading. Update may take about 5 minutes. So we'll sit here and wait. Don't power off. When you see the camera reboot again, it's done. Alright, we're rebooting. Update complete. So return to monitor point. There we go. Inside here, there's a setting for how long it'll stay away from the monitor point, which this is 1 minute. If you want to auto return to the monitor point, you turn that switch on. Caulk around. I gotta adjust my lights. About like that, I think. So let's see how she works. Let's see if we can sneak up on it. If the motion picks us up. Oh, wow, look at that. That was like instant. Now that's awesome. Those little motion detectors, 2 sides and face in front. That's gonna be a game changer. Let's sneak up on this side. Go real slow. See if we can trick it. Oh, there it is. So let's see what we caught last night for animals. See the little paw right there? That means an animal triggered this. Oh, what is that? Ah! Look at that fat possum. Holy mackerel. Let's download that one. You can adjust how much. And that should be about right. Then hit download. Hit done. Oh, that's a kitty cat. The cat saying, what the heck's going on here? We'll download that one too. Pretty fast download too. Of course, there is a Windows app. I'll show you that later. Now it looks like it's probably me when I come around the corner. Yep, that's me. You can also add it to your Reolink PC app. Just add the user ID. I'm doing standalone here, so it's direct. When you do standalone, you have to make up a password, and then you're in. Let's see what came in last night. Oh, there's something. There's something right there. I think it's that opossum again. Let's search for just animals. There, kitty cat again. One from yesterday. We're not done yet. Now we're done.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.